ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. First, I'd like to talk about the health insurance that almost everyone here did not talk about yet. Health insurance is an arrangement by which a company or the government undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation illness in return for some payment. Private insurance is better, as with your private insurance you can choose any hospital and any doctor to treat you. Moreover, the insurance includes everything from the ambulance to your dental care. You can also travel the world and receive treatment outside your country with your private health insurance. Who can reject such an offer? So, your payments are covered up by your insurance. Regarding technology and equipment, which sector do you think has better tools, such as MRI and CT? Which sector has medical tools needed to operate on a fetus? Yes, technology has reached this far. Another point, US healthcare system is based on a private sector. How can we ban such an entire successful system? And yes, it is successful because people travel to the US to do surgeries there. A system that funds the public sector by its taxes cannot suddenly disappear. These taxes go to providing more beds and buying better equipment in the public sector. Since fewer taxes will be paid, taxes will increase on citizens, and as mentioned before, for a longer waiting list and for less medical care in public hospitals. Why would the government ban a private sector when they get profit from it? Looking from a doctor's perspective, does a doctor need more stress? There are already enormously huge numbers in the public hospitals waiting for treatment. Why shall we add more oil to the fire? Doctors will not be fully concentrated. This will lead to less efficiency from the doctor, and thus worse health care for the patients. Furthermore, public hospitals offer only the salary induced by the government, which is most probably not enough. Therefore, doctors will receive less money. Doctors are humans, exactly as everyone here today in this room. So I want to ask you a question. Will your motivation for work increase or decrease when you know that your salary has been lessened? Will you focus on your work while worrying about food for your family or even education for your children? Here are some examples of successful private hospitals. The famous Dr. Magdi Yaoub's Aswan's Heart Center, which saved thousands of lives and saved many families from inevitable tragedies. And Arjord Hospital in Nigeria, where it charges the patients with whatever they have, even as low as $1 per visit.
You've got 1 minute left.
Do you still believe that private hospitals care only for money and profit? I would like also to clarify that we were and are not suggesting banning of public healthcare system. It is for the best for both systems to cooperate together as a two-tiered system, giving the optimal environment needed for patients and doctors. Regarding the survey that has been posted on Facebook, I'd like to assure everyone that we send it to variable people as possible, and here are some results. From patients who answered, 77.4% voted the private sector offers private treatment. Moreover, 79.6% voted that the waiting list for public hospitals is longer. Regarding the doctors answered, 89.2% voted that private hospitals have better equipment and gives more salaries and bonuses. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, 75% of people who answered the survey disagreed on banning private healthcare system. Thank you.
Well, the survey that you've conducted, how many people who visit the public healthcare system, they depend only on the public healthcare system, have participated in this survey?
I don't know, however, it's I think the main percentage.
It was done over Facebook, as I've said on my one point.
It was done over Facebook and it reached as many people as possible. We posted it on Group al-Duf'a in 3 or 4 or 5 Duf'as, you know. So yes, it reached as many people with many different cultures, and I think people answered to prepare problem.
Hamouda, how much participants were in this survey?
Hundreds.
Define hundreds.
Exactly 100.
According to you, only 77 people were against. How much does 100 represent? Out of 90 million?
We considered proportionality.
Thank you.